Hey everybody, this will be kind of a quicker video. I basically just want to update my valuation model based on some things I've been seeing over the past. Um, I think I've done 10 or so videos so far. So, yeah, I'm just going to get into it. One, I'm weighting the weighted average cost of capital a little bit less just because um, I really don't think it matters as much as I originally thought it did. Let's just move that out so I know the actual sum. And now I'm really thinking about where. So one thing I do want to make is retained earnings a little bit more important. Um, Net margin. Honestly, I might even make net margin more important because balance sheet is important, income statement is important. See, the issue is here that everything is very important, so I never really know where to take from. So, like, the total shares really isn't as important as I always say it is, and EPS is directly tied to net income. Net income is directly tied to operating income, so it's not that crazy. Now, net margin, on the other hand, is the most important thing, period. In my opinion, at least, it is the most important thing. Also, I don't think repayment of debt is as big of a deal as it needs to be. And if I just bring this back up here, this is my channel. Just pass over that. So the last video I did was Trump media, but what I'm going to do is go into key items here. And don't worry about the company. I'm just going over the key items. So, like, EBIT, EBITDA, total debt, net debt is something that I could do. Total liabilities, fees, I don't really know what that means. Let's go to a better company. Let's go to Chewy. No offense to Trump Media, but they are one of the worst companies I reviewed. But let's go to key items for the financials and just see some things. So, like, gross income, I kind of feel like net income covers that. Um, Capital expenditures could be something, but honestly, I just don't see it as being too important. Net debt is kind of an interesting one, but I sort of already have that with short term slash long term. So that's really nothing. So I have 3 points here that I want to spread out, and I'm trying to think of what I want to do with it. I think what I'm going to do is put an extra into free cash flow, an extra into operating, and then the long-term debt to total equity. So we'll kind of see how that affects stuff in the future. I'm not going to change the existing weights of anything or the existing ratings of anything just because that's how it was when I did it. That's how I felt about it. So I'm not going to change much there. But yeah. So that's really everything I wanted to change. I just wanted to do some more updates based on just how I felt currently about some things. I'll probably do more in the future, change this up, add things, take things away. It depends. But yeah, that's it. See you sometime. Make sure to subscribe.